Hi, welcome to our next section, Modules and Packages. We will start off this section by learning about modules and then locate them. Moving ahead, we will write the compiled version. Finally, we will learn about the package. Now we move on to the first video of the section, Modules. In this video, we are going to learn about Python modules and then import the statement to use the functions and variables. Modules are code files meant to be used by other programs. In order to use a module, we use the import statement. A module can import other modules. Let's look at a simple Python program. The code is a very easy and basic example. Let's save the program as module1.py. You can consider this program as the Python module. We will use the module1.py file later. In order to use the functions and variables of module1.py program, we will use the import statement. The syntax of the import statement is shown here. Using this, we can import multiple modules. Let's make another program which will import module1.py. This is our program. Here, the module1 module will get executed when the interpreter encounters the module1 name in the import statement. In order to use the module variables and functions, use the module name.variable and module name.function notations. Here we want to use the sum1 function of module1. That's why we use the module.mul1 function. We save this file as mod1.py. When we run it, we get the sum and multiplication values as our result. If you think it is tedious and time-consuming to write module1 with every function of module1.py, then Python allows you to use the as statement. This is the syntax. Let's write a program. We have added this code. Here, module1 is used as md. We save this as mod2.py. When we run it, we get the same result. We can explicitly define the function as per our need. Consider that we only want to use the sum1 function, not mul1 function. Let's write the code for this. In the first line, we define from where we are taking the sum1 function. Then there will be no need to use module1 with the function name. We save this file as mod3.py. When this is run, we get sum of the numbers as result. Consider a module that contains many functions, and you have to import all the functions. For such an instance, we can use this line, but I advise you don't use this statement because if you are importing more than one module, then it is very difficult to identify which function is taken from which module. Let's take another example. We add this code and save it as module2. Now we have two modules, module 1 and module 2. We have defined module 1 earlier. Let's write the next program. Here, we imported all the functions of module 1 and module 2. But it is very difficult to identify which function is coming from which module. We save this as mod4.py. And when we run this, we get the result of addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. However, Python offers you the built-in function dir, which can be used to identify the functions. So we will look at it now. We add these two lines of code, save it as mod5.py, and run it. After seeing the output, we can say that the mul1 and sum1 functions came from module1 module. That's all for now, guys.